In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GIF in Photoshop. A GIF is a short looping animation you can share almost anywhere, and the process is straightforward once you know where to click. To start, gather a series of images. These can come from video frames, animation frames, or still photos. For our example, we're using frames rendered in Blender, but any set of images will do, especially if they're the same size and in order. Open Photoshop and create a new file, then add all of your images. The easiest way to bring everything in at once is to go to File, then Scripts, then Load Files into Stack. In the pop-up window, click Browse and select all the images you want to include in your GIF. Photoshop will place each image on its own layer in a single document, which is exactly what we need for animation. With your layers in place, open the Timeline panel by going to Window and choosing Timeline. In the timeline, select Create Frame Animation. This enables frame-based animation so layers can become frames. Next, click the three lines in the top right corner of the Timeline panel to open its Options menu. First, check the option labeled Create New Layer for each new frame, then open that menu again and choose Make Frames from Layers. Photoshop will build a frame sequence from your layers in the order they appear in the Layers panel. Now customize your GIF settings. Under each frame in the timeline, adjust how long that frame is displayed. Shorter delays feel faster and smoother. Longer delays create a more deliberate pace. If you want your GIF to loop, set the looping option to forever so the animation repeats continuously. When you're satisfied with how your animated GIF looks, it's time to export. Go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. In the export window, set the format to GIF and save to your preferred location. Photoshop will generate the animated GIF file ready to share or upload. And that's it. You've created an animated GIF in Photoshop from a series of still images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.